Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we gave it a tune-up, and this machine definitely needs a tune-up. This is the funnel of the pre-ground, and as you can see right now, it's pretty clean, recognizable. This is the exact same one. We also do clean inside the machine, especially the brew unit. This is the brew unit of the machine, and you can see some coffee buildup around here, and yeah, it didn't look really good. We replaced the gaskets of the brew unit, deep clean everything, relubricate it, and descale this machine. Just the way you see it here. Now all service and clean. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test it out so we can test the side, and then we're gonna end up with an espresso so we can test the spout. Perfect. As you can see, milk size was prepared. To the milk system perfectly fine. You can see some good foam forming up in the whole cup. Oxygen flow coming out this part as well. Looking great. Now we're going to do a espresso because the spouts on the spouts. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Good crema. Working great. And there you have it, Jura E8 working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.